Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Bijay and I'm a Microsoft MVP specialized in SharePoint. In this video, we will discuss how we can add bulk guest users in Azure AD B2B from Azure Portal and by using PowerShell as well. So we can use Azure Active Directory B2B collaboration to work with the vendors or external partners, and those time they will not have they are not in your domain, so you can add them as the guest users in your organization, so they can use typically their Gmail account or Yahoo account or any Outlook account, outlook.com account also. So these are known as guest users, and we will see how we can create these users. So first of all, I will open my Azure portal. So I will go to portal.azure.com, and on this basically we can go to Azure Active Directory. You can see it here. Click on that, and then under manage there is users. So once you click on these users, it will display all the users including your guest users as well. So from here you can see here there is an option where it is saying new guest user. Click on that, and then you can see here invite user option is coming, and here you can put details about the user. For example, here I'll put the name, and I'll put my email address here, and then the first name, last name, and then I can put some message here. Welcome to this info, something like that. And then here also you can assign the roles and the group as well. So you can click on this one, zero group selected, and you will be able to see the groups here, and you can select a groups from here. And also the role you can select, and if you want to put any user to any user group or any group, then you can select it here. And then block sign in, it makes no sense to put no, I mean yes. So we will enable the signing in, and then location I will select here. Let's say I will select India. So you can see here I will just select this, and then job title, you can provide a job title and department as well. So you can put uh, guest inviter manager, something like that you can put, and then click on invite. So when you will click on invite the user, you can see here an email will go to the particular user, and the user can from there the user can log in there. So you can see by default the user will come on this, and you will be able to know the user status, like the user is a guest user or a member. So here also you can see the email that the user received here, and the user can click on the link, and then or click on here, and the user can then can sign in with the Gmail address, and the user will be added to your organization as a guest user. So this is how now we will see how we can do bulk invite, so that at a time we can invite multiple users. So you can see here there is an option which is saying bulk invite. Click on this, and it will actually allow you to download a sample file or a template which you can use to put all your user details, and then you can upload it here. I have already downloaded and add the details. So if I will just open this Excel file, you can see here I have put the email address here, and then app redirect URL, send invite message is true, and then this is the message, the email message that we want to send. So you can just close it, and now you can then upload it. Let me just delete this user because this is also the user that I have put it over here. So let me just delete it, and now I will click on bulk invite. Then I'll upload this file. So I'll go here, not here, go to desktop, and this is the file. You can see here the file has been uploaded. Click on submit, and then it will show the progress. And after some time the users will be added here, and we will be able to see it in this all user section also, as well as it will show a message which will say that all the users has been successfully added. So you can see here now it is succeeded. So you can just close it, and if I'll refresh it, so we should be able to see it. See, both the users should be added now. So you can see here it is. You can see here this is one user and the last one user. These two users has been added. You can see here. So let me delete also, and now we will see how we can work with PowerShell, how we can use basically PowerShell to upload these users or to add these users into our Azure AD portal. Now, first thing is a couple of things we have to do it here. First thing is we need to create an CSV file. So I have created one CSV file. So if I will just show the CSV file, so I will just open it. So you can see here I have a name column and then invited user email address column. These two columns are there, and these are the users which I have added into this CSV file. So this is a comma separated CSV file. And next we will have to you can download and install your Azure AD preview module. Basically you can also run your management shell and then or your Windows PowerShell to install this, and once you install this then you can run the script. So how we can check it? Basically you can use the get hyphen module and then command here. So let me open PowerShell ISE first of all. So you can see here Windows PowerShell ISE. I will run as administrator, and on this I will run this command here first of all to check what is the version here. So get hyphen module and then hyphen list available and Azure AD, and I'll put just a star here. So if you'll run it, it will actually show you the Azure AD preview module. If you don't have, then you can just run this command install hyphen module and then Azure AD preview. So once you run this command, it will install it, and then you can run the script. So make sure you install this. And once you have done that, then I will just copy this script here, and on this basically you can see here first thing is you need to connect to Azure AD and you need to provide the tenant domain. So it is your domain name .onmicrosoft.com, and then you can next thing is if you'll see here the CSV file path I have in E drive Bijay, and then this is the folder, and you can see import hyphen CSV the message. So you can see here I'm putting a message here, hello and then team, and then for each email and in this CSV file, then you can see here new hyphen Azure ADMS invitation, and the invitation user email address, then display name, invite redirect URL, invite user messages, and then send invite message. So if you don't want to send an email message, you can also make it to false. So you can use this thing. So now I will run it here. Let me just check. Yeah, no users are there now. So we will run it. So once you run it, it will ask me to provide the credential. So I'll put this, and then it will ask me for the password as well. And oops. And now if you'll see here, it will take some time, not much time. It will take some time, and then we can see you can see here all these messages as a guest user. And if I will go now to all users, we will be able to see all the users, both the users created. Let me just refresh once again. So you can see here it is loading. So now you can see here this is one user and the last user as well. So both the users has been invited, and the users will receive the same email notification also since we make it to true, and then they can join from there without any your organization ID. They can use your general like Gmail or Yahoo account as well. So this is how we can add bulk users. So single guest user we have added, bulk guest user we have added, and how Also we added bulk guest users using PowerShell. So thank you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. You can get a lot of videos on SharePoint, Office 365, Azure, Power Apps, Power BI, Flow, SPFX, all videos you will get. This is our website to follow us, and then this is our Twitter handles. Follow on Twitter us, and then LinkedIn and Facebook pages to like us. Thank you, and have a nice day.